up YouTube? Channa Karasi here. Welcome back to my channel. So what it is I do on this channel is teach people how to create clothing. And this season, what we're going to be focusing on is upcycling pieces. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to create a sweat skirt. Say that 6 times fast. I tried and failed. But how I'm going to create this sweat skirt is I'm going to be using the top of sweatpants and the bottom of a sweatshirt. So like the pocket area, the kangaroo pocket of the sweatshirt. I used the scraps from my last video's tutorial and I've created a whole new piece. So listen, nothing goes to waste over here. So we are using everything. I think it's so important for us to be sustainable in fashion and be mindful of that. So this is why I am dedicating this season to upcycling pieces and teaching you guys how to do that. Let's get into it. Okay guys, here's what you'll need. So you'll need a pair of scissors, a ruler, chalk or a fabric marker, the bottom of a sweatshirt, and the top of some sweatpants. So we're going to start by laying down both pieces of your scrap, and we're going to measure across on the top of the sweatpant. You can decide how far you'd like to go down. I think I went a little bit too far down, but I would say maybe around 2 to 3 inches down from the top of your sweatpants is how far you should cut across the top of your sweatpant. The last clip you see me marking the sides of the bottom of the sweatshirt. Apparently I needed to take it in a lot more. So what I'm doing here is re-marking them so that I'm taking in a lot more fabric. So this can be, according to your shape and size. So I think for me I was taking it in by 2 inches on each side. So I'm just making those adjustments. So I took some more off of the sides of the top of the sweatpants so that everything is even, and now we're going to prep with pinning for sewing. So now I'm going to start by sewing the top, front, and back, and then I'm going to sew the sides. Okay guys, this was a really easy peasy tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. If you'd like to see how I put it together with an outfit, stick around for the next clip.